Social Security disability is a type of government benefit created under the Social Security Act. Title II of the Social Security Act actually creates retirement, survivors, and disability insurance benefits. And so every time you get a paycheck, there's a portion of that paycheck that's withheld, that's paid into the Social Security system. After you've paid in enough, you become insured under the Social Security Act. Someone might apply for Social Security benefits if they've become sick or injured or otherwise disabled and they're no longer able to work. The amount that someone can receive in their Social Security benefit depends on a number of different factors. One, it depends on the type of benefit that they receive. And two, it depends on how long they've worked and how much they've paid into the Social Security program. And so those benefits can range from somewhere around $750 up to around $3,000. Those numbers change a bit from year to year, and they can also change or be adjusted based on how much you've paid in or whether or not you're receiving other types of benefits. The difference between RSDI and SSI is primarily whether or not someone is insured under Title II of the Social Security Act. If a person has worked often enough and recently enough, they obtain what's called insured status under Title II of the Social Security Act. In that instance, we would make a claim under Title II of the Act for retirement, survivors, or disability insurance benefits. If a person hasn't worked enough to obtain insured status, and they're also indigent, they might qualify for SSI or Supplemental Security Income under Title 16 of the Social Security Act. Under Title II of the Social Security Act, there are a few different types of benefits that you might receive. One is a retirement benefit that you can start drawing as early as 62 years old. Another is a survivor's benefit. This would be payable to your dependents, your minor children, in the event that you died. The final is a disability benefit, which can be payable to you in the event that you become disabled and you're no longer able to work. There's no age limit on how old you have to be to receive disability benefits. There are different requirements for children versus adults, and depending on how old you are, the proof that you'd be required to show may be a little bit different. Free consultations are a cornerstone of our Social Security practice. We don't want there to be any barrier between someone who's unable to work because of a disability and the answers that they need to get. And so we encourage people to call us with any questions that they may have free of charge, and we'll do our best to answer their questions and evaluate their case.